Everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. Today I wanted to share with you this cute paper from the other 100 yen store, Seria, and they always have really cute stuff, and since we're spring to spring now in Japan, actually we've officially started Tsuyu, which is rainy season. So just right around the corner, of course, then in July we'll have summer waiting for us. And these cute little seashell pattern paper just really caught my eye, and I thought, wow, that is a perfect thing for summertime. I love it. So I always like going there to get new, fresh ideas because there's very rarely anything new at Daiso. If you've never been there, you'll be overwhelmed with how many awesome things there are. But if you are like me, who goes there, every week, it's really not that. It's kind of, after a while, you're like, I've seen all this. But Seria really does go through and kind of rotates in a few things, so it's nice. This is part of their AMIFA's designs paper series. This particular one is one that is made in China, as opposed to the Kyowa brand, which is made in Japan. But they make design paper that is more like about, good for crafting, but then it is a square shape, so it's certainly no problem with using it for origami paper. And with this gold foil pattern on it, just so pretty. I love this cute little design. It's with a nice little kind of gradation of your colors here, and funny little words in English here. My favorite's happy, picture book of marine life, feel great. All right, yeah. So that's one of the patterns. There's 3 patterns in here. You get 4 sheets of each. They're thick, nice. You can even feel the embossing of some of that work on the other side. So, I would probably keep what I'm making in terms of folds pretty simple because you are dealing with a thicker paper. This one here, oh, how pretty. That's really pretty. With sort of a watercolored seashells on there, and the gold foil patterns too. That one doesn't have so much, kind of bumping out on the other side, but really pretty. And then this one down here with the really dark blue background, it's sort of the same idea with the corners kind of creeping in with the stuff there. And then you've got all the cute little jellyfish there. That's really cute. I like those. So you've got 2 that really go nicely together. And then they all kind of share the same sort of theme and design. So they work really well together, I think. I like when I can get some of these that go nice together so you can make big projects or use them for a party or something, and they still kind of all tie together nicely. So definitely something I'd recommend. 100 yen, and you get some really nice, unique, fun, good quality paper that you can use for all sorts of projects. So I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.